I've been balling so damn hard. These fools really think I'm Kobe. Let's go. 1 point. It's so cold. I really want to go ball and go to the court, but apparently I can't do that, huh? So we have to play this in virtual reality. It's not perfect because there's like there's like a collider that kind of like blocked away a little bit, but if you hit it right in the middle, you can score. And I just have a little bit scoreboard on the top. I really want to go to the court and ball, but apparently, can't do that. I don't even know why it's this cold, bro. It doesn't make any type of sense. And yes, I am trash. See if I could step back a little bit. Don't know if that's gonna help out. There we go. 3. Let's try to hit that baby to 10 point, and then we'll call it quit. 10:05. Whatever happened first before I get too cold. Oh man, whatever happened first. Oh damn. All right, as you can see, it did not actually go in for that one, but nobody have to know. Oh damn. Hitting bricks, bro. My hand's cold, bro. I just wanted to demonstrate this to you guys. Otherwise, I'll be in my room doing this. Okay, we did not score that one either. It did not actually go in. It's hitting the outside of it. I have the trigger right in the middle of the net. But if it hit kind of like the outside, it does count it. Those last 3 did not actually count. All right, let's see. I have to go. Damn. It's hard too, because once I let it go, it just basically take my forward momentum and kind of shoot. So we just have to aim higher. That was definitely a miss. Oh yeah, and the collider for some reason act weird sometime. So let's see. Slowly. Oh my gosh, we're breaking. We're just gonna have to go ahead and readjust it. Let's just readjust the hoop real quick. Hold on. Ooh, it's so cold. I can't do this. All right, one more point. One more points. One more point. Oh my gosh, can't grab it right. One more point. Hold on, hold on. Last attempt. Whether we make it or not, this is it. This is it. Do or die. Oh my gosh, that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh man, I need to fix the collider a little bit more. Ah, damn.